Hello everyone, this is your tutor from K Tutoring, Kwegeto Pete. So the business of today is mainly on essay questions approach or how to approach essay questions in history. Understanding the essay question. Firstly, it is very much important to understand your essay question before you can even try or attempt to answer your essay question so that you don't lose marks. In history, these are four common possible types of essay questions you might be asked: to discuss, to explain, analyze an event, situation, or evaluate, assess an event or events, to give an opinion on a statement or quotation. Now, I want to give you an example with this one. Let me formulate a statement. They might say, without the political leaders and role players, South Africa was not going to be able to achieve its democracy in 1994. Do you agree with the above statement? Now you're going to take a stand. Now you're going to give us opinion. That's where the opinion section comes in. You're either going to say I agree to the question, or as one can say I don't agree, or I disagree, or I agree because of this and this and that. To establish the relative importance of a number of factors to make a comprehension as well. Examples of questions using the keywords: discuss the reasons of the establishment of civil rights movement in the United States of America. Now, when you are faced with the word discuss, you are expected to adopt a critical approach to the question, identifying and explaining every point relevant to the question. In this essay, you should identify various factors that led to the establishment of CRM. Could it be segregation, the Ku Klux Klan, how African Americans were treated, how they were separated, and be able to give your own opinion on each of the factors by showing how each factor is relevant to the origins of the CRM. There are many factors, therefore you need to identify the ones that are relevant to the establishment of CRM. Explain why the civil rights movement was able to overcome segregation. The word explain means that you are required to make something clear by giving reasons why an event occurred, took place, or happened. In this case, the victory of civil rights movement. You must give us the reasons why civil rights movement was able to overcome segregation. What did they use? You should think of sit-ins, protest, civil disobedience, and many more related aspects. Analyze the reasons for the unbanning of the liberation movements in South Africa in 1990. Now, this question is so much interesting because it has a time frame within. Time frame is 1990. Now, with this type of a question, you're going to analyze. However, you must analyze checking the time frame. It's important to be within the time frame, because if you off the time frame, you're going to become irrelevant and you're going to lose a lot of marks. Now, when you are asked to analyze, you are expected to identify and discuss all the relevant aspects relating to an historical event or events, including reasons why that event or events occurred. In this case, we want the reasons for the unbanning. Again, you need to examine each aspect critically to find out the way in which it contributed to the event and also the interrelationship between these factors. Now you need to give us the reasons why did they unban the liberation movements in South Africa? Why did they unban PAC, ANC in 1990? Would it be that the apartheid government was given pressure? Or you'll mention those types of factors that relate to the unbanning of the liberation movements in South Africa. You like the video, give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't yet subscribed, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. And you have any questions or comments, please drop them below. Thank you very much for watching this video.